Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So gold has been pushing down slowly over the last couple of weeks. Now I have this as a possible WXY because it looks like one, two, three waves down. It looks like one, two, three waves up. If it is a WXY, then it needs to make one, two, three waves down, probably taking out the low of wave W and maybe even eventually taking out this low. It doesn't necessarily have to be a 333 WXY though. It could be a 335 like a regular flat. If it is a regular flat, then it potentially is not going to make very big pullbacks, and it will just make an impulsive five-wave trend down to the low. So we have a couple things to keep an eye out for. If it does make like an engulfing move to the upside, then we'll probably know that it's going to go up and make a big wave B before it goes down for the wave C. If it doesn't do that, then it could potentially just keep on going down and down and down. So I definitely am looking for sorts on these sort of time frames. Now that we do have a move to the upside starting, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on here. We have to kind of assume that this move up very likely could just be a pullback to the last five waves down, which, by the way, that is a very, very nice five-wave pattern. So if we see one wave up, we see one counter trend wave, we see another wave up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then we see an engulfing move to the downside, then we definitely want to go short for the potentially the continuation down. Now, if for whatever reason this is a complete wave A and now we're in a wave B of Y, then it potentially could just keep pushing up, making little bounces, and just keep on going up. So, I mean, it kind of depends on what time frame you're trading, on what you want to do. I personally am waiting to see if it either goes up and breaks structure, proving that it's in a wave B, or I'm waiting to see if it makes three waves up and then I'm golfing down at a Fibonacci level. If it does that, then that's going to be my next sorting opportunity. If it goes up and breaks structure, then my next log will be after the break of structure and after the pullback that comes after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.